When transferring the scores from the Blackboard Gradebook, we have to check first if the student IDs in the Blackboard Gradebook are in the same order as in the CA sheet. We also need to check if there are missing names in the Blackboard Gradebook. To help you check up those potential issues, we have created a new tab in the CA sheet. The tab is labeled Check the order of the Blackboard Gradebook IDs against the CA sheet. This is an example CA sheet for this module or semester. I have copied the student details from ODAS, the student KAU ID and names, as you can see here. When transferring the Blackboard scores into the main CA sheet, I have to check, as we said, that the order of the IDs in the gradebook are in the same order as in the main CA sheet. To do that, I have to copy the username, first name, and last name from the Blackboard Gradebook and go to the new tab, which is the Check the order of the Blackboard Gradebook against the CA sheet, and paste the details, the student details there, starting with the username. It's better to use the paste special and paste values only. Any IDs or records that are still highlighted in red, it means that they are not matching with the CA sheet. Maybe the order of these IDs is wrong, or maybe these IDs are missing from the Blackboard Gradebook due to the student's withdrawal from the course. So I have two records here highlighted in red. When I manually checked these two records, I have found that there is something wrong with the order of these two records in the gradebook. To fix this issue, I have to go back to the Blackboard Gradebook and swap the position of these two records. Now I have swapped the positions of these two records. I need to double check again. So I'll copy the student details and go back to the checkup sheet. I have to clear the previous data by selecting it and hitting the delete button on the keyboard. Then I need to paste the new data using the special paste feature. Great. I don't have any highlighted records, which means that the IDs in the Blackboard Gradebook are in the same order as in the main CA sheet, so I'm fine now to transfer the Blackboard scores into the CA sheet. In this second example, I have pasted the names and IDs from the Blackboard Gradebook, and I have found out this part of the list which is still highlighted in red, which means it's not matching with the CA sheet. When manually checking the issue, I have found that these two students here have dropped out of the course and they are no longer in the Blackboard Gradebook. So what I need to do now is to add two blank records or rows in the Blackboard Gradebook. Once I have done that, I have to double check that there are no highlighted rows. So I'll copy the student details again and go to the checkup sheet. Paste the names, and as you can see now, the lists are matching. And for these two students who have dropped out of the course, I will just go to the main CA sheet and write a note in front of each name, for example, dropped out of the course. Okay, now I'm fine to go ahead and transfer the scores from the Blackboard and paste them into the CA sheet.